Look there. Look. Hey. You say hi, Grandma. Say, Grandma. Your grandma there. Can I go to? What's up, guys? What's happening? What's popping? What's not stopping? Welcome back to What's Not Stopping. That's no free. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we have Jamaican celebrity smash or pass video. So for those who don't know what smash or pass mean, smash mean get it on, not there. I not did that. A one night stand. So they want there, alright, there with them. How does smash mean there? My smash mean alright, there. Not there, but you don't understand. Yeah, yes. We can't do it. And pass me, when we pass, I don't mean so because you're not ugly or not that, we just pass because
it's just that you're not our type. Simple as that. Just cut it short. Not our type. Definitely.
Like what she said. So before we jump to the video, smash the subscribe button, give this video
a big ass thumbs up.
Give this video a big ass thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite part of the video. And comment down below some video idea, guys. So without further ado, let's just jump into. I saw, you don't remember I checked? Oh, I saw video. Top 2 chocolate picnic video.
Yay!
So first person is, hold on. First person is
Dexter Daps.
Would you smash or pass Dexter Daps?
Smash.
Smash! Get it on, baby. Get it on. Baby, bye.
Your turn.
Baby, bye. Would you smash or pass Yellow Man?
Hell no. That's a pass.
One to him. One to him, man.
If I was lockjaw.
Lock?
In job.
What kind of lockjaw are they?
Any which jaw. I still jaw.
Pass.
My turn. With the smash or pass Vibes Cartel.
Teacher. Pass.
You too ugly now.
Make you want a channel and say that so then come after you.
No. Me not like cartel, but me just like some I understand them when you sing, but I'm not a cartel fan. Would you smash or pass?
My turn. Would you smash or pass Bounty Killer?
Amma? No. Me not want you Amma me.
Say when you get some good sex. Not funny? Too far? Too far.
What about you?
Pass.
Would you smash or pass Alkaline?
Smash.
Pass.
Why? We're gonna smash him and we get some Black Eyed Baby and it be a trend. The Black Eyed Baby group. Definitely.
Your turn.
Would you smash or pass Elephant Man?
No.
Why? You know I have some elephant baby. Smash him man and get some elephant picnic. Make AJ be elephant step brother.
But I'm gonna lick you up.
Who you gonna lick? I don't know what's gonna beat you up one here. Your turn. I joke, girl. Why you come so strong?
Would you smash or pass?
Okay.
What am I the name again? Sean Paul.
Definitely smash.
Why?
You can get all this.
Let me go what I'll do. Your turn.
You're not talking if you would have smashed him or not.
Well, if my smash him I get some white picnic.
You're racist. You want white picnic for do. You're black.
My problem complexion?
No. Not at all. Would you smash or pass mackerel?
No, sir.
Why?
Showman.
So, at least I get free mackerel to eat.
Will you smash our pass can beef.
Only in can beef.
One girl from Rana drove couple so. What is the name again?
But even them can be, so no, pass.
Okay.
Would you smash or pass? What am I the name? Gully Bop. Smash him, Abby. You know that make a perfect couple. Smash him.
Why you not smash him?
Because they already have him.
Me go after you.
No, big first, age before beauty. Smash him. Smash him now, Abby.
Me pass him.
Why you pass your last chance? I draw. Your turn. Hi.
Would you smash or pass Anthony Miller?
No, I'm too serious. I'm not serious with me. Too serious. Anthony serious, a mother serious. No. Go ahead.
Your turn.
Oh, you want to sleep? Come. Come on, auntie. Would you smash or pass squash?
No.
Why?
Pass.
Why?
I don't know, but
Would you
don't know
smash
no more
or pass
Jamaican.
Javelani?
pass. I don't know no more in Jamaica. We can go overseas.
No, local. You love foreign man too much.
I don't know no more Jamaican me know.
Would you smash or pass Chronicler?
Will you smash or pass Credits?
No, I'm going to come give me some Rasta food for you. I'm not on the vegan thing.
Will you smash or pass Devin the Doctor?
Yeah? Rubam the thing
Yeah,
there.
input on fast zero though.
No, let me pull out the film.
As in wig. Wig is self input on
Oh, you know that.
We see it on Facebook yesterday.
And everything you see online, I must believe. No, no, right. You thought we can twin some hairstyle. Would you smash or pass scatter? Why?
Will you smash?
Why?
Will you smash or pass Professor Nuts?
Who name so?
Professor Nuts, Magnum, King and Queen of the Church.
Oh, no, pass. Girl, I want them bad now, you know him.
Would you smash or pass Bob Marley?
Of course, a legend that can lick some high notes, you know what I mean?
Oh, God, I'm ready to my sleep.
I'm sorry.
Would you smash?
No, you keep on asking me, I'm going to ask you.
Me not gonna remember them. Can them just come to
You
me
think you're
something?
smart?
We smart.
Alright.
Me not gonna remember them.
Alright.
Will you smash or pass? How is her name again? No.
Ganguly.
No.
Then never.
What are they men by name?
I don't know yet.
Or Kimani Mali. Who
I
come
told
not
him
shatter.
Kimani come and shot.
Yes, will you smash or pass?
And I hear when you come in, nobody come shot me. Pass. Would you smash or pass? And that's somebody I have to smash him. Because they lost chance. Go on. Go on, go ask.
Ask now?
I don't remember, I forgot.
Will you smash or pass Teddy Birdshot?
Teddy what?
Birdshot.
A Birdshot, yes. Birdshot? Who named Birdshot? Birdshot, the man name.
Although in them.
Then if he's dead, I'm going to smash him. The man a dead one? You know what? Shana, if the man dead, I'm to smash Abby.
There's a guy in Deadwood.
But you're not going to take it Deadwood. You go smash him.
Will you smash or pass Other man the name? How many name? I can't remember my name. Chris Brown. I just go overseas because I don't know none.
Yes, but I smash Chris Brown.
Why?
Because he miss Chris Brown. You free? But if he beat me, I beat him up back. I can beat up Rihanna, I'm going to beat him up back.
We do smash our pass.
If he beat... No.
Meek Mills.
No, pass Meek Mills. We just smash our past Safari.
Definitely
Yeah,
smash.
he married.
And
Love man too much. He married. Stay in your lane. And Erica, I'm not going to beat you for your man. Aww. Love baby, you know.
there's that one.
Well, you not going to breed and one and can't go give me. I'll give me AJ and you
No!
So yeah, suggest me to go pick me.
Let me say you love baby.
I love baby, but not to go have them. Alright. Yeah guys, so that is the end of the video. We just bored, so we just said we're gonna do a smash our pack video. So yeah. One thing more on to smash since we're not gonna smash none of the celebrity them because smash the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Or pass what? Whatever for pass. Smash the subscribe button. What? Pass the 8 times? I rap now. Smash the subscribe button past the 8 times.
Stupid.
Ah! Ow! Would I cry now, but I go save my tears so I break up. I cry.
Me not follow but no break up.